Fashion confidence is like feeling really good about the clothes you're wearing. It means you're happy and comfortable with your clothes, so you feel really great about yourself. Imagine putting on your favorite outfit that you love and getting lots of compliments from your friends. You walk around smiling and feeling proud because you know you look awesome. That's what fashion confidence is all about, being happy with how you look and feeling good no matter where you go. Now, why is it important to build your fashion confidence? First, it boosts your self-esteem. When you feel good in what you're wearing, your confidence rises. For example, wearing a flattering outfit to a social event can make you feel more self-assured and ready to enjoy yourself. We all know that feeling when you're invited to a wedding and you're wearing a stunning, beautiful dress. The whole time at the wedding, you're just feeling so happy and excited, enjoying yourself because you know you look good, and that makes you feel good. I'm sure we can all relate to that experience. Second, it enhances your presence. Dressing confidently helps you make a strong impression. When you wear clothes you feel great in, you project an image of poise and self-assuredness, making you stand out in both personal and professional settings. So what happens when you lack fashion confidence? Well, a lot can happen, but I'll just give you two reasons. The first one is insecurity. If you're not confident in your style, you might constantly second guess your choices. This can lead to feeling uncomfortable or self-conscious, which affects how you work with others. Imagine you're going to a party and you keep wondering if your outfit is too much or not enough. The whole night you feel awkward and keep adjusting your clothes instead of enjoying yourself and chatting confidently with others. Second, missed opportunities. Lack of fashion confidence can hold you back from taking full advantage of opportunities. For instance, if you don't feel good about your outfit, you might shy away from networking events or social gatherings where making a great impression could be beneficial. I once had an experience where I was invited to a social event and I had these shoes that were very uncomfortable. They did not match my outfit and I knew it, but they were the only pair I had, so I had to wear it. The whole time at the event, I did not move much. I just sat one place because I was so uncomfortable. That's what lack of fashion confidence can do to you. In today's video, I'm going to share some simple tips to help you build your fashion confidence and learn how to dress confidently and shine. So let's dive in. First thing first, know your body type. Body type simply refers to the natural shape and proportion of your body, whether you're more curvy, straight, or somewhere in between. I'm sure we've all had that experience where we buy a nice dress we saw someone else wear, but when we try it on, it doesn't fit the same. That's because we all have different body types. What suits person A might not suit person B since our body shapes are different. So something that looks great on your friend may not flatter you in the same way. Understanding your body type helps you choose clothes that highlight your best features. For example, if you have an hourglass figure, high-waisted skirts can accentuate your curves beautifully. On the other hand, if you're a more straight shape, layering can add the illusion of curves. When you wear clothes that fit your body type well, you'll naturally feel more confident. Next up, wear colors that flatters you. Wearing colors that flatter your skin tone directly affect your fashion confidence because when you know you look good, you feel good. The right colors can make you feel more vibrant, energized, and comfortable in your own skin. On the flip side, if you're wearing a color that doesn't suit you, it can make you feel more self-conscious or unsure about your appearance, which can really bring down your confidence. So colors have a huge impact on your overall look. To find the right colors for your skin tone, you first need to understand whether your skin has warm, cool, or neutral undertones. This can help you choose color that will make your skin glow and enhance your overall look. A simple way to do this is to look at the vein on your wrist. If they look more blue, you probably have cool undertones. If they look green, you might have warm undertones. If you have a warm skin tone, earthy colors like olive and gold might suit you better. If you have a cool skin tone, blues and purples could make you glow. You can also do a bit more research to discover other colors that might suit your skin tone. Once you know your undertone, you can start choosing colors that complement it and bring out your natural beauty. Wearing colors that suit your complexion makes it easier to feel confident and look put together. Tip number 3, invest in wardrobe essentials. But not just any kind of what everyone else is wearing. Choose pieces that you truly love. Wearing clothes you love has a huge impact on your fashion confidence because when you feel good in what you're wearing, it shows. You walk taller, smile more, and feel more comfortable in your skin. It's like your outfit boosts your mood and that confidence shines through, making you feel ready to take on the day. Essentials like a great pair of jeans or a classic blazer can be mixed and matched for different occasions. When you have go-to outfit that you feel great in, it's easier to put together outfits that reflect your personality and make you feel more confident. Tip number 4 is practice your style. Practice makes perfect. Don't be afraid to experiment with different outfits and styles. Practicing your style helps you discover what looks good on you and what makes you feel confident. The more you try different outfits, the better you get at understanding your personal style. If you don't practice your style, you might end up feeling stuck in a fashion rut, wearing the same boring outfits over and over. This can affect your confidence, making it harder to express who you really are through your clothes. Remember, our clothing choices can send strong messages about who we are or how we want to be perceived. If you're unsure about a new look, try it out at home first. For example, if you're considering adding a bold accessories like a statement necklace, Wear it around the house and see how it feels. The more you practice, the more you find what works for you and what doesn't, and this can help build your fashion confidence. Next tip is embrace your unique style. It's not about following every trend, but it's about creating a look that feels authentic to you. When you ignore your personal style, you might end up feeling uncomfortable and out of place in your clothes. It's hard to feel confident if you're wearing things that doesn't really reflect who you are. If you love vintage pieces or you prefer a minimalist look, go for it. When your style truly reflects who you are, you radiate confidence. Remember, it's all about finding what makes you feel great and owning it. I hope these tips helps you feel more stylish and self-assured. Drop a comment below with your favorite tip or any style challenges you're facing. I'd love to hear from you. If you haven't seen my two wardrobe essential videos, essential buttons every girl need and essential accessories, please be sure to check it out after this video. I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe and share so you never miss an update. For more style and fashion tips, check out other videos on my channel. Thank you so much for watching and I'll see you in the next one.